Lesson 2. National Festivals in India. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are the national festivals of India. They are celebrated throughout our country with great joy and patriotic enthusiasm. They are very important and special for every Indian. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15 every year to commemorate the day in 1947 when India gained freedom from British rule. The moment was a joyous one as it ended the 200 years rule of the British. The day that marks the greatest moment in Indian history has now come to signify a feeling of nationalism, solidarity and celebration. It was the sole national festival till India declared itself a republic in 1950. All government organizations have a holiday on this day. It is also a national holiday, so educational institutions, private and government organizations remain closed. The day is celebrated in a mood of abandon and joy, no rituals, just festivities. There are flag hoisting ceremony and cultural programs in the state capitals. The main function is held at the Red Fort in Delhi. The national flag is hoisted by our Prime Minister and then the national anthem is sung. On this day, the national flag is hoisted in all government offices and schools. The Prime Minister addresses the whole nation. In schools, the national flag is hoisted by the chief guest or by the principal. In our school, the national flag is hoisted by our principal. She addresses the students. Then cultural programs are held. In the end, sweets are distributed to the students. We should pay homage to all the freedom fighters who gave their blood for the freedom of our country. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. On this day, in 1950, our own constitution was adopted by the Government of India and it was declared a sovereign democratic republic. The day reminds us of the fulfillment of the pledge that was made on the midnight of independence as a tryst with destiny. A republic is a country in which the people have the right to elect their representatives to form the government. In New Delhi, the most spectacular celebrations include the march past of the three armed forces at Rajpath near India Gate. The President takes the salute of Army, Navy and Air Force personnel from the defense services. Many school children from different parts of our country take part in the parade. Bravery awards are given to brave children. Further, the streak of jet planes of Indian Air Force, leaving a trio of colored smoke, marks the end of the festival. The celebration thus signifies the patriotic fervor of the Indian people who are together even in their embedded diversity. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is another officially declared national holiday of India and is observed in all its states and union territories. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is called the father of the nation. He wanted the people of India to fight for freedom peacefully. The function is held at Rajghat in New Delhi. On this day, our President, Prime Minister and other dignitaries visit Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, to pay floral tributes and offer prayers. Gandhiji's favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, is sung in his memory. Mahatma Gandhi's teachings of peace and non-violence must be promoted to resolve current conflicts and avoid violence and make our world a better place to live.